Hello, 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 all my YouTube friends and family. It's your girl, Holiday IfaK. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel today. If you're new here, welcome for the first time. If you've been here before, welcome back. Y'all already know what time it is. Before we go any further, take a moment, like, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below. Give me any new thoughts, ideas, or suggestions you guys may have to help me help you. All right, so the help I'm providing today is for my ladies. Gel for your nail? Yes. So you can get these nails at your local drugstore, Walmart, Target. I got mine from Target. Paid less than $5 for them on clearance. They're easy to use. It's a good brand. I love them. You'll love them too. Believe me. So this is everything that was included in the box. You have your glue, instructions, the beauties that are gonna go on these plain Janes, your mega adhesive tabs, a file, and a manicure tool. So, of course, first and foremost, you want to wash your hands. Wash them. Then you're going to use nail polish remover on each nail to kind of set the foundation for the nails. After that, get your cuticle pusher, push back all your cuticles. On the other end of that tip is a cleaner, so you can clean your nails as well underneath. Yep, push those cuticles back. Okay, y'all, so of course, you know, all the nails are going to come mixed up, all bunched up together, right? So you want to pick the nails that work best for you and the shape of your nails. Every nail has a number on the back of it. Yeah, right there. You see it? Maybe not. But anyway, they have a number on the back of them. If you are interested in using the adhesive, every number that's on the back of the nails or the inside of the nails are going to correspond with the numbers that are on here. If you guys cannot see it, let's see. Here we go. There are numbers. And of course, they're inverted on here. But they're numbers on the stickies. I'm not going to use those. I'm going to use glue. So I have set aside my nails that are going to work for me in my nail shape. And just before I start, I want to show you guys something else. So sometimes you'll get a nail that has that little rough edge at the top of it. That's why they give you this. Also to file your own nails and prepare them, but to also just take the file and lightly rub the top of the nail. You do it that way, whichever way the nail is shaped, however you want that nail to be shaped when you're done filing it. So I've done that with these nails already. So now, time for the gluing process. It's time to apply, y'all. So you always want to start with the pinky, okay? You get the pinky nail. You're going to take the glue and add one good, nice drop. So I'm a nurse and I cannot wear nails to work, so I don't apply much glue because I will be having to take these nails off actually in a day. You hold it down for 5 seconds and you want to try to make sure you don't get any bubbles underneath the nails. So you want to make sure that you're applying pressure to the nail to ensure that the entire nail is on your bed and that it sticks. Just like that. We'll clean that glue up later. And you will do the same for the other hand, the other pinky. If I can make it move by itself. I don't think so. So now I'm going to do the same for the other nail, the other pinky nail. Make sure you don't put the glue on the wrong end of the nail, okay? All right, so once again, you want to get a nice drop. Dab it onto the nail. See, it's not very much. Not very much at all. And you just spread it around. If it's not enough, just squeeze gently. You can always add more. It's kind of hard to take away though. That could become a mess. All right. Slowly turn the nail and place it on your nail bed, aligning the nail with your nail bed and your cuticle. And you gently hold it there for 5, maybe 10 seconds. And we'll clean that glue up in a moment. Making sure you're lining up the nail with your own nail bed. Getting it close to the cuticle, but not underneath your cuticle. Right at your cuticle. Right at your cuticle. And sometimes you'll have nails, like when you have the design nails that don't necessarily fit your nail bed correctly. Like this one, for instance, it was a little too small, but I just applied a little bit more pressure and I was able to make it fit. Check it. It looks like I have real gel for your nail. Make it shine like a diamond in the sky. Okay. So for the thumbnail, I did 2 drops because I have to cover more surface with a bigger nail bed. Just want to make sure all of that surface is covered. Not the entire nail, of course. You don't want glue on the part of the nail that will be hanging over your natural nail bed. Making sure I'm covering my entire nail bed and the nail is not crooked. Of course, my left hand always looks better than my right because I'm right-handed. And sometimes I find it difficult to do my right hand with my left hand. But I get it done. All right, don't forget, hold pressure. Hold pressure. And you see how that glue starts seeping out from up under there? I put a little bit too much glue on the nail. But As I said before, we can correct that with a little bit of paper towel. It's not all that noticeable. And the great thing about these Kiss nails and a couple of the other brands is that these matte nails are smudge proof. So when you get glue on them, you wipe it off and it doesn't smudge the polish on the nails. Yeah. Now I've recently seen nails at the Dollar Tree, y'all. The Dollar Tree. You can't get no better than $1. See, I'm just wiping it away, wiping it down. That glue will be washed off my hands within a day, as much as I wash my hands. But wiping it around and down. Look at that. The glue is gone off of the nail. Like I said, it's still a little bit on my, around the nail, like the skin, but last nail. Drop, and then we'll do a half a drop. See how that works out. All right, and like I was saying, you want to start with your pinky and end with your thumb. Do not ask me why, but the instructions tell you do not lead with the thumb. Lead with your pinky nail. I'm assuming, I'm guessing that it must make it way more difficult to start with your thumbnails. But anyway, we're finished, guys. Finished product. Beautiful gel finished nails in the comfort of your home.